Okay, so the challenge is how are we going to show our associates in only 3 minutes of training how to effectively demonstrate the new Windows operating system, and how can we quickly show customers that Windows 8 isn't such a scary transition after all. Here we go. I'm 20 seconds in, I got 3 minutes. Right out of the box, this looks like completely different. This is the Start menu. Well, how do I get to the desktop? There's actually a tile right here that says Desktop. Now that I'm at my desktop, there's no Start button in the bottom left corner like there used to be in Windows. But, as you see, as I drag my mouse to the bottom left corner, a little box pops up that says Start. Click on it, Start menu. So instead of having an itemized list when you click on Start, you're going to get live tiles. Just like that. I'm back on my desktop. Start button? Here's a different way to get to the desktop. Move your mouse to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see that a little window pops open that looks just like your desktop. Awesome. So, here's how you look at the toolbar. Move your mouse to the top left corner like you're going to get to your desktop, and then you'll see some lines pop up on the left side of the screen. Move the mouse down, and look at that. That has a toolbar of all the programs I've been using recently. One thing that'll frustrate customers when they first use it is when they open a program, like I'm going to open music right now, and in the top right corner, there's not a box to minimize or to X out of the program I want. So how do we get out of here? We're just going to hit the home button on the keyboard that has the traditional Windows symbol, and it'll take us back to Start. Or, when we're back in that program, just like before, we're going to move our mouse to the bottom left corner, click on Start, takes us back to the Start menu. We're back in here, move it to the top left corner, right to the desktop. Those few tricks will help your customers move through Windows 8 effortlessly. That's really the whole main difference, is that a lot of programs, there's not a thing to X out of the programs anymore, and you don't know how to close them anymore. And it doesn't seem that there's a Start menu. The Start menu's there, the toolbar menu's there, and here's an easy way to search. You don't even have to search. I'm just going to type something like, I want Control Panel, so I'm going to type in Control Panel, and Control Panel pops up on the screen. Well, let's try something else. I want to troubleshoot a networking problem, so I'm just going to type in Troubleshoot, and Troubleshooting Guide pops up. Here's the last thing. Do you remember your desktop having millions of icons from all the different programs you wanted to use? Your customers had a cluttered desktop. The Start menu's much more organized, and if they want to see all their programs, in the bottom left corner, you right-click, and a little button pops up that says All Apps. When you click on All Apps, it shows you all the programs on your computer. Wow, there's a lot there. But Windows has a lot to offer, so there should be a lot. But this is just real simple. And if you look at that, 3 minutes and 40 seconds, and you've just demonstrated it. A little bit longer than we hoped, but as you can see, it's very easy to maneuver. Have a good time.